What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best 6 satellite phones available in 2022, according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. At first, we have the Iridium Extreme 9575. The Iridium 9575 Extreme is similar to the Iridium 955, but it has fully certified durability, standard compliance for water, jet, and dust protection, fitting military standards. With 99% global coverage, this is the best satellite phone for travelers venturing into harsh environments or off the beaten path. And with integrated tracking, it can also aid in business operations and automatically reassuring relatives. It has got a monochrome display that can screen basic graphics and up to 200 characters at once. And apart from these, this phone allows you to text via SMS, send short emails, and has a phone book, voicemail, and a choice of 8 ring and alert tones. Its standby time is about 30 hours, while the talk time is up to 3.5 hours. Next is Inmarsat IsatPhone Pro2. The IsatPhone Pro2 is the only handset that is easily found on the Inmarsat network, and it is ideal for remote travelers due to its sturdy build and fold-out antenna. It is built to withstand whatever you throw into it, including extreme heat, blizzards, desert sandstorms, and monsoon rains. Furthermore, thanks to the quick network registration and the unrivaled lifetime of 8 hours of talk time and 160 hours of standby time. Here, you'll also get an easy-to-use interface, a high-visibility scratch-resistant transflective display that's easy to read even in direct sunlight, and tracking services like a GPS button and assistance. You can use this phone to make voice calls, send SMS messages, and track your location using GPS from anywhere on the planet. As well as you can also receive calls and SMS on your phone for free, no matter where you use it. Next up, we have the Thuraya X5-Touch. The Thuraya X5-Touch satellite phone is the world's first smart satellite phone. It is aimed at users who frequently move in and out of terrestrial coverage in a variety of market sectors, such as government missions, energy projects, and others. It has got a full dual mode and dual SIM capabilities, as well as a dual active mode. And in addition to that, to meet the needs of the most demanding government and military users who use the services in harsh and remote environments. This Thuraya X5-Touch has added a Gorilla Glass display as well. It is the most rugged phone in the MSS industry, with an IP67 standard for complete dust and water protection and MIL compliance. And moving on, its advanced omnidirectional satellite antenna helps to ensure uninterrupted communications, providing seamless walk and talk functionality even in satellite mode and reliable, clear, and uninterrupted communications in over 160 countries across Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. Its other features include advanced navigation and tracking, a built-in SOS button, a large battery for extended talk and standby time, a front and rear camera, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. Next is Garmin inReach Mini. This Garmin inReach is a palm-sized satellite communicator designed for adventurers where size and weight are important considerations. It allows you to send and receive text messages, track and share your location, and if necessary, send an SOS alert to the GEOS 24/7 emergency response team. With wireless unit-to-unit connectivity, you can use compatible Garmin handhelds, wearables, and other mobile devices to remotely control inReach Mini and send and receive messages. And featuring a GPS-based location tracking, you can also share your location with those at home or in the field, while its electronic compass will show bearing and distance along a route or to a waypoint for basic navigation. Another feature worth mentioning is its silicone case, which is a protective cover that conforms to your devices thanks to the flexible silicone. This case can also be easily removed if you prefer. Spot X comes next. This Spot X is a standalone two-way satellite messaging device. And this latest version of the Spot X includes Bluetooth functionality that can connect to a dedicated Spot app on your smartphone for interfacing. Its built-in compass and programmable waypoints will allow you to navigate. And for tracking, you can select 2, 1.5, 5, 10, 30, or 60-minute intervals and track your adventure with Spot's simple cloud-based mapping. You can use this Spot X device to send and receive messages via SMS/text or email, as well as obtain a dedicated mobile number for the Spot X. This means you can keep in touch with family members while on your outdoor adventure, or use the group message feature to let everyone know how you're doing. Lastly, we have the Garmin Montana 700i. This Montana 700i is a massive piece of portable smart GPS and satellite communications device. It has a tough military-grade build and a 5-inch touchscreen display that is 50% larger than the previous model. In an emergency, you can send an interactive SOS message to GEOS, a professional global monitoring and response center that operates 24/7. And along with that, it also supports multi-GNSS and has preloaded topo active maps, city navigator street map navigation, and navigation sensors such as a 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter. Finally, with Pro-connected ANT Plus technology, Wi-Fi connectivity, and Bluetooth wireless networking, you'll also have direct-to-device access to bird's-eye satellite, imagery downloads, location sharing, Connect IQ app support, and more. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified out of our new videos.